For anybody in the audience who's got a birthday today, happy birthday to you!
Hello, Lisbeth. Yahoo! Happy birthday from Nias Island. Wish you all the best and God bless you. Please tell me when you will go to Nias Island. Waiting you're coming again to Nias Island. Okay, that's all. Happy birthday and long life.